GoMix Self-Leveling Compound Standard Application Guide. Preparation of tools. Prepare all necessary construction tools to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Surface preparation. Thoroughly clean all dust, oil stains, and loose debris from the base surface. Ensure the substrate is solid and free of any fragments. Step 2. Primer application. Apply the coats of GoMix S1 floor primer evenly using a roller brush. Ensure there are no missing spots or gaps. Allow to dry for 4 hours at room temperature. Wait until the surface is tag-free before proceeding to the next step. Step 3. Material mixing. Strictly follow the specified part-to-water ratio of 1 to 0.2 to 1 to 0.3. Pour the water into the container first, then add the GoMix SL9 self-leveling compound. Mix at a low speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it stand for 1 to 2 minutes to release air bubbles. Mix for another minute until it becomes a uniform, lump-free fluid. Step 4. Self-leveling application. Pour the mixture onto the floor. The slurry will automatically flow and spread. A notch squeegee can be used to assist in the leveling process. Achieve a more uniform leveling of the substrate. Then, use a spiked roller to roll over the surface 2 to 3 times. This eliminates air bubbles and further assists in leveling. Step 5. Curing and completion. After the construction is complete, cure for 24 hours at room temperature before allowing for traffic. Subsequent decorative work, such as flooring or tiling, can then be carried out.